Look, ayy, ain't gon' catch the bitch, get on my nerves. Just got a block, almost hit the curb. Most niggas been sitting on me right now. See me in person and won't say a word. I think.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy AJ, and we back with another video, no cap. So look, in today's video, we finna see how much we can make this car chop. So come on, we can come with me, no cap. All right, y'all. So first thing we gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all get a before clip. And now we finna go ahead. The first step we gonna do is we gonna see how much this car idle just in general. Like what's the normal? Cause I got this Marty tune on here right now. So first thing we gonna do is we're gonna see where this car naturally idle at. And we gonna work off that. So let's get to the gauges. My bad. Gotta put the key in. We just gonna let this pop up. Come on, SCT. I really think I need to update this because it's been years since I didn't even did anything close to this. So, all right, so bad. Vehicle speed. Okay, RPM is at the very bottom right here. So, I'm gonna go ahead and start it. See where it go when it idle back down. Alright. It's pretty hot, honestly. I think it's still almost idling there. Like it out around 1,000. That's hot. So we got some room to play with then. We got some good room to play with. Yeah, we got some room to play with. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the car back off. We're gonna close the door. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go back, start data logging. We're gonna go to program. Okay. And where y'all think I should start first? I don't know. See, I got this. I got this tune and that tune. I think, yeah, on this one I could change everything. I can, I'm gonna do that. I ain't gonna show y'all that. Well, no, it don't even matter. Got 390s in here. Stop. Okay. I guess this is how hard the transmission shifts. We're gonna see how this feel. No, we're gonna turn 1 and 2 a little down so it'll feel a little bit drivable. No, fuck it. We're gonna go back. We're gonna go all out with this one. Idle speed and drive. We're gonna turn that down to, let's see what 500 do. Neutral, 800. We're gonna go 7. So that'd be a good little drop. Spark. Global spark do. Cause I really want to try to see how you can do this to where it can chop. Well, since we ain't finna drive it right now, we finna turn it. We ain't gonna turn it down to 14. We gonna do 4 degrees and see what that do. Okay, so as y'all see, we got pretty much all that done. Okay, we're gonna prove this, and we're just gonna continue to see what this car sound like. So after this get done loading, cause this probably sometimes it take up to like 2 minutes to even get it done. So when it get done tuning, and as you see, it's doing all the programming, I'm gonna go ahead, cut the camera back on, and show y'all what we working with. No cap. All right, y'all. So I think we almost done. So let me turn the key off. Turn it back on. All right. So now we got this done. We're gonna go back down to the gauges. I would get y'all the first start on the outside, but we gonna go on here to start it while we already sitting in the car. So let me go ahead and wait for this to pop up. Then we're gonna start the car because I want to see what's going on up in here. All right. Boom. Boom. All right, cool. So we're gonna go ahead and start it up. See what's going on. See, I ain't got no gas in here. See, it's not at 1,000 no more. It's not hitting off 1,000. The most I see is what, 9.2. Let's see what it sound like. It sound like I can hear it. Look. Can't really. Make it how I want it to. Let me give it a look at it, see it make it. Oh, you go down some more. Let's see what happened when I put it in driving neutral. So see, it's still about the same. It's still above 5 though. I'm just listening to see how it sounds, see what else I want to do to it. It's a little lower though, as y'all see. But knowing me though, I still want to go a little bit lower, so we're gonna go back. We're gonna start this whole process over, and we finna see, just for y'all, man, we finna see how choppy we can get this car to be, and hopefully it still be drivable. So we finna go ahead and go through this process again, and I'll let y'all know what I end up doing, you know what I'm saying, and see. All right, bet. So matter of fact, they put me back into the same same old preset, so I don't even really got to change nothing. So let's go back to idle neutral. We're gonna go a little farther this time. We're gonna go, the lowest is 600. So the lowest is 600. And the lowest for idle and drive is 500. We're gonna leave that. We gonna take the degrees out of it and put 2 degrees in. And it's a 4% richer. We're gonna go, it's a mild cam. We're gonna go 6 and see what they do. So yeah, as you see, we got all that. That was just basically everything that's changed. So when this get done, doing what it's doing, I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Cause this the lowest we can get it. So we gonna see if maybe this will be the best chop that we can get out of it. So I done had it chopped a little different a few times before. So hopefully, all right, hold on. All right, y'all. So as y'all see, we got the new tune downloaded. I don't know. Last time I did it, it said it come married. So you know, I'm saying you just gotta redo the process sometime. And boom, we gonna get the gauges back on. Come on now. Come on now. Boom. Damn. Boom. Come on now. Boom. All right, come on. Wait for data. Come on, man. All right, let's go. What? That might be it, gang. No boom. See, now you saying we 7 and 8. I think you can hear it now. Hold on, let me go ahead and show you. Like this right here, this is really what I wish it just sounded like on a regular. So we'll get you a beat. Good. Let me I'm finna set y'all up so y'all can hear it from the outside, so I'll give y'all some little outside views. But yeah, this where it be at though. right, y'all. So I know a lot of people ask me about how be making this car sound different ways when I'm tuning. Well, now y'all know. So let me know what y'all think about how this going. Let me know what y'all think is the best sound that I've made so far. Cause I'm gonna try like some new stuff on here too. Cause there's a lot of stuff that I don't really deal with. So I'm gonna try to go. I'm gonna try to look up and see what some of this stuff mean and what some of this stuff can do. Cause I still got the race tune on here just in case. So you know I always got that. But yeah though. Let me know what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see next on Gang. Cause look, as y'all see, we got this thing back rolling. So all I need y'all to do is let me know what y'all want to see, and we're gonna make sure that we gonna get all that taken care of. So thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see next on Gang. Look.